Good morning students. Today we will discuss two small topics, short question topics. One is probability current and second is expectation value of quantum mechanics. This comes under the syllabus of electrical engineering of first year physics. So let us discuss these topics one by one. First of all, we will discuss about probability current. What is probability current? So in quantum mechanics, the probability current may be defined as, we can define the probability current as the mathematical quantity. It is a mathematical quantity that describes the flow of probability per unit time per unit area. So it may be defined as the probability per unit time per unit area. And for non-relativistic mechanics, this can be given by, for one dimensional motion, it can be, the probability current can be given by J is equal to h cut upon 2mi and multiplication of psi star del psi by del x minus psi del psi star by del x, where this psi star is the complex conjugate of wave function psi. So we can write the probability current as J is equal to h cut upon 2mi psi star del psi by del x minus psi del psi star by del x, and h cut is equal to h upon 2 pi. We have discussed this thing many times in the last lectures. In 3 dimension, this del by del x can be represented by del operator. So J, the probability current is given by h cut upon 2mi psi star del operator of psi minus psi del psi star, where del operator is I del upon del x plus j del upon del y plus k del upon del z for 3 dimension. So let us solve one question. Find the probability current for psi is equal to e to power I kx. So from this question we can write, we have solution. We have psi is equal to e to power I kx. Then the complex conjugate can be written as, we will replace I by minus I. We will get minus I kx. If psi is a real function, it will become square. Psi star psi will become square, but it is imaginary. I is imaginary iota. So psi star will be e to power minus I kx. Now putting this value in this equation, we can write the current, probability current can be given by h cut upon 2mi, and we have psi star del psi by del x minus we have psi del psi star by del x. So let us solve this probability current. So J can be given by h cut upon 2mi. We have psi star e to power minus I kx and del psi by del x. The differentiation of this thing with respect to x, it will be I k e to power I kx. I k e to power I kx minus psi as it is e to power I kx and del psi star by del x. Differentiating this complex conjugate of psi with respect to x, we will get minus I k e to power minus I k x, right? We will use a curly bracket. Here we get h cut upon 2mi e to power minus I kx and e to power I kx is equal to 1. So this will cancel out, and e to power I kx, e to power minus I kx, and we have got I k minus minus plus I k, right? So the answer will be is equal to h cut upon 2mi 2ik. 2 gets cancelled out, I cancels out, and our answer is, final answer is, the probability current J is equal to h cut k upon 2m. So in this way we can calculate the probability current for any question if the function is given. The probability current comes out to be h cut k by 2m, right? Now we will discuss another topic, short question topic, that is the expectation value. What is expectation value? So the expectation value of any dynamical quantity describing a wave function psi is the average value of the quantity weighted by the probability of observing that value. Ki suppose we perform an experiment and we have some expected result, this is our expected result, then that is the expected value of that experiment. In the similar way, the expectation value of any function psi is the average of the quantity weighted by probability of observing that value, right? So let us calculate the expectation value of any dynamical quantity A. So it can be represented by this thing A and is given by minus infinite to infinite psi star. We have to write the quantity A and then we will get psi, and here we will get psi star psi d tau, right? So where d tau is equal to dx, dy and dz, and suppose we have the normalized factor normalization condition, then we can write for normalized wave function, we have this one is equal to 1 and our answer will be minus infinite to infinite psi star a psi d tau. For normalized wave function, for normalized wave function minus infinite to infinite psi star psi d tau is equal to 1, because it is certain that particle will be found from minus infinite to infinite at any other place, right? So therefore the expectation value of any dynamical quantity A can be represented by minus infinite to infinite psi star a psi d tau, where psi star is the complex conjugate of psi, and if the function is not normalized, we will use this formula. Right? So let us take one question, that find the expectation value of position x for a particle trapped in one dimensional box of length L. Let us solve this question. So we have to find out the expectation value for position for particle in one dimensional box. We have proved in the last lecture that the normalized wave function for particle in 1D box can be written as for particle in 1D box. We can write psi is equal to under root 2 by L sin n pi by L into x, right? So as it is a real function, so psi star will be same thing. So psi star will also be under root 2 by L sin n pi by L into x, right? So we can write the expectation value of our position will be given by our box is of length L, so we will take 0 to L, right? Because the box dimension is L, it is given L, so we will take 0 to L. This one, that is in the question we will take capital L, so it is L. So delta x, the expectation value of position will be equal to 0 to L, and we will get psi star under root 2 by L sin n pi by L into x. Then we will have our x, and again we will have psi. This is under root 2 by L sin n pi by L into x. And for 1D we will take dx, right? As the function is normalized, we have taken the normalization constant under root 2 by L. The denominator will be equal to 1. This comes out to be 2 by L integration 0 to L x sin square n pi by L into x dx, right? Then solving this we get 2 by L 0 to L x, replacing sin in terms of cos, we will get 1 minus cos 2 n pi by L into x dx, and we have taken 2, so this is equal to upon 2, right? Because 1 minus cos theta is equal to 2 sin square theta by 2, so it will come 2 sin square theta by 2, therefore we have divided it by 2. Then 2 will get cancelled out, and we will get 1 by L 0 to L x, and we will have 1 minus cos 2 n pi by L into x, and we will have dx, right? So multiply x within the bracket, we will get x, the expectation value of x is equal to 1 by L, and we will have 0 to L x dx minus 1 by L 1 by L, the integration of x will be x square by 2, and we will put the limits 0 to L. Let it be 1 by L, 0 to L, x cos 2n pi by L into x dx, right? We will get 1 by L into L square by 2. Let us solve the second integral. First function, second function. The integration of this thing will be first function, integration of second function minus integration, differentiation of first function, integration of second function. Let us solve this. We have 1 by L, right? Then first function, integration of second function, sin 2n pi by L x upon 2n pi by L, right? Minus within integration 0 to L, we will get differentiation of first function, differentiation of x is 1, and integration of second function is sin 2n pi by L x upon 2n pi by L, right? And here we will have our limits. We will put our limits 0 to L, and this is our function, right? So here we get L cancels out, L by 2 minus here the second thing is we have taken this 1 by L here, 1 by L, right? Then we have 1 by L, and this will be L. So L cancels out, so 0, and here also we will get 0. So the first term will be 0, and this is our minus. So minus integration we will have cos 2n pi by L, and it will become positive upon 4 2n pi upon L ka square, and we will have to put our limits 0 to L. On solving this term, we will again get this thing as 0. So again we will have L by 2 minus 0. The final answer will be L by 2. So the expectation value of position for particle in one dimensional box comes out to be L by 2, where L is the length of the box. Thank you.